Welcome to the Advanced Manufacturing Systems Lab at HCC. In spite of the pandemic, we are conducting face-to-face classes for the training that you will need in an automation technician job or a manufacturing technologist. Here you'll find some of the same equipment that you've seen if you've taken technical courses at the local area tech schools. But I'm going to take you on a short tour just to familiarize you with some of that. This hands-on training system allows you to use programmable logic controllers. They operate an electric motor, a pneumatic cylinder, and material handlers as well. The Allen Bradley PLC isn't a real industry standard system, so you're learning what you need for the jobs. We can tweak this system to change pressure, force, and speed to see how the system responds. Speaking of force and speed, we see now some equipment that we use to learn about the transmission of power. There are shafts, belts, and gears, and chains to test rotational force and speed. These are controls that are used in industry for the conveyance of material, and even on vehicular systems. In fact, you'll find them in robots. To introduce you to our robots, in fact, I'm taking you now to the Advanced Technology Center to introduce you to Professor Greg Betts.
Here in our robotics lab, we start our students with these tabletop-sized robots. They teach the students about degrees of freedoms, work envelope, and different types of end effectors. Once they're finished with these, we move on to the industrial robots like you see behind me. Here we have some of our ABB robots as well as our assembly line, which introduce students how mechanical, electrical, pneumatics, PLCs, and robotics all integrate together to be able to build a desired product.